Right, welcome back to Shedtune and welcome back to the workshop. And we're still doing Dom's engine. We've got the crank back now and we're going to start building stuff up. Hang on a minute. What are you doing, you bell end?
I'm doing the magneto, the mag flange. It's brilliant. Go on YouTube. There's actually videos tell you how to do it.
Oh my God.
Quality.
It's not too embarrassing.
Sounds a bit of a cock though if you listen to him. I reckon he's going to burn his hand in a minute.
There we go. It's gone in nicely.
No, he's not, because he cut that bit out. Dom's still building his engine, look. Yep. But it's that time of year where we thought we'd do a review.
No, we were going to pull up all the rubbish old videos that we've already done, regurgitate them, and say that we've done a review.
Oh yeah.
Of the best and most funny ones that we think.
The best and most funny videos that we've done this year.
But that we think are funny.
Well,
yeah, you lot do.
Yeah, exactly.
That's irrelevant.
Exactly. So sit back, grab yourself a beer, and hopefully watch these and enjoy it.
Or alternatively, don't.
Bye.
Bye. Russ, can you get us the other one? Bring it adjustable.
That's all right, no problem. Daryl.
Right, we're gonna.
Can you check our new crank out for us? You need a bit bigger ruler.
Don't worry, I'll clean it first.
He's not from Wales. He's watched the Daryl Taylor video and he knows what he's doing now.
So apparently, you lay it on the flats like that.
Can you see any?
Yeah, 20 inches.
Okay. Wow.
No, seriously.
That's it. I'll tell you what.
Let's be serious.
Okay.
I cleaned this one, Daryl.
Good. You need a bigger ruler though.
I know.
Like and subscribe.
Right, that's going to be a wrap from the Isle of Wight 2023. Thanks very much for watching. Like, subscribe, and oh, hang on.
And if you want to crump it,
Catch me next time in Rebuild of Dave's Scooter. Again.
Yeah, where he fixes the kickstart.
Again.
Don't forget, like and subscribe.
Don't you just hate?
easy tiger.
Driving down to the car park this morning and I said, I think there'll be about 20, 30 people this year because, you know, you sort of think, it won't be as many as the first year. But wow guys, this is amazing yet again and I really want to thank you. You mean so much to us all.
as you can see, I'm here on my own. So Russ has buggered off to Andorra, snowboarding. And left me on my own to do this. And also, there you go, Pete. It's up on the fridge.
Hello.
Hello, I am a Nigerian prince. I have lots of money for you.
And we weren't even filming that bit. He does it all the time. He fell over earlier and we weren't filming.
I don't even know why I pick the phone up. I just get abuse.
Well, no, I wouldn't say you get abuse. Well, you do sort of. Yeah, you do. You're right.
Yeah, I would do.
You're right. You do get
You
abused.
like being abused.
It's funny though. Yeah, so two things.
Yeah, come on.
Your scooter's done, and we're going to drop it back. I don't know when the weather's a bit better, because I know you're not in a rush for it. But
Yeah,
me and Dom were
true.
talking about we're going to do some different features on the channel, and we wondered if you'd be interested in having a chat about your Series 2.
Yeah, go on then. I'd love to.
There's rules. So, 10 in a
First rule.
packet. Right, yeah. No cheating by drinking
Okay.
Unless
What are you looking at me for?
unless you're choking to death.
But that's still cheating.
Okay, well, whatever. So, we'll just do a 3, 2, 1. Go.
First rule of Jaffa Cake War.
Yeah.
There is no rules.
Yes, there's no rules.
Right.
Right, 3,
So-
2, 1, go. You win. Well, as you can see, I lost. Oh, I've still got bits of Jaffa cake stuck in my teeth. And Dom won.
As a surprise.
Dom's been shopping because he's blind.
Oh, game changer.
Go on, what you got? Where'd you get them from?
Easy readers.
Ooh,
Lay
nice.
flat glasses. Look at that.
From
£3 from the pound shop.
from the pound shop,
How does that work?
and they're £3.
£3 in the pound shop.
Okay.
It's a pound shop, surely it's a pound.
And there's a few things that drew it to me. A, it was dirt cheap. B, you can change the battery. And C, there was a lovely picture of a scooter, which reminded me of a lot of you people out there watching. Right, that's going to be the end of this week's video. Thanks very, very much for watching. Don't forget, we've got the Etsy shop, so if you want any merch, just go online, link down below in the description, and you can buy whatever you want. Fair end. So, give us a like, a subscribe, set that, click the bell. Oh dear. Anyway, it's goodbye from me.
And it's goodbye from him. I already said it.
Too late, you already said it.
Clapperboard. The positive stop method. I.e. bolt for a screwdriver. I.e. bolt for a screwdriver. I.e. bolt for a screwdriver.
Oh, no? No? A screwdriver?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bolt for... Oh, stop this. Yeah, anyway.
And again.
Action!
Right, welcome back to Shedtune, the Shedtune HQ. Don't worry about me. Don't worry. Make a bit more noise. Anyway, we're back in the workshop. We're working on all sorts of stuff, and
You haven't done anything yet.
you're right, and I've forgotten what I was going to say. Right, so thanks for sending stuff in, and we've just had some very nice t-shirts arrive from Pete from the Lambretta archive, and look how slim Dom looks in it.
And my boobs look big in this.
They always look big. Speed Freaks and Anoraks since 2002.
Quality. Cheers, Pete.
Thank you, Pete, much appreciated. So we're just measuring the diameter of the bars to start setting up the headset. Dom's going to work his magic on the lathe.
Hey, fucker. More what you want to happen?
Oh my god, that was shit. Got it? Okay, now lucky you've got long things.
Best thing bought from an old boot sale.
Oh my god, the butterflies are even worse now. Better indicate and check Dom's still with me. So Chuck, the clutch does need adjusting. Fucking hell. That's fucking fast. Woo. That is fast. Holy shit. Oh, deep breath, Russ. Oh, mate. I'm going to have to wear my big boy pants when I'm racing this, I tell you. Woo. Oh, right, calm down, calm down. Oh, right. Right turn, Clyde. What are we getting?
Jaegers.
Jaegers. Oh, okay.
Direkt Chris.
Oh.
Get a Vespa, they said, more reliable. Nah, stick with Lambrettas.
I had a text from Phil Callaway.
Right.
Apparently he wants to talk to us, so I thought we'd phone him while we were here.
Do we have to?
Oh, I better put him on loudspeaker. Hello?
Dick and Dom.
What?
Is that Dick and Dom?
Yes,
Yes.
it is.
Well,
Or is it the Chuckle Brothers?
no, it's Dom and the Dick.
Or is it just Dick?
Well, yeah. That works for me.
Hold on, it's the Chuckle Brothers, what is it? Abbott and Costello? No.
No.
Laura and Hardy, there we go.
Which one's which?
Good job you do Vespa spares, because you're a shit.
Hey?
Good job you do Vespa spares, because you're a shit comedian.
Well, yeah, I know.
So anyway,
Right.
you sent me a text saying we needed to chat. What do you want?
Right, Dick and Dom, or Dom and Dick,
Yeah.
I have a project for you.
Go on then.
Oh, what, your new series too?
No, you keep away from that. No. This is going to be something completely out of the norm for you two.
Go on.
Because you're always doing Lambrettas.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking hell.
I've got an LML that you can do.
No, you can do.
What?
No.
Do what?
You two can do.
You couldn't even get a real Vespa.
I've got plenty of real Vespers. This is something curry flavoured that you can get your teeth into.
LML.
LML.
LML. It just,
Laugh my laurels off.
Yeah.
LML. It just rolls off.
LML.
It just rolls off the tongue, doesn't it?
It does LML.
Is it spelled?
And
Go on.
I'll have you know, it's a super deluxe.
Fucking hell. Great.
No, that's just
Was that
Dirty
supposed?
Bell.
Was that supposed to sell it?
yeah, the super deluxe.
Okay.
Well, we need to think about it, so we'll speak to you later. Bye.
Fucking LML.
Right, thanks very, very much for watching this video. If you made it all the way through to the end, then clearly you weren't drinking enough beer. We'll be back next year with more racing, videos, hijinks, stupid stuff. So it's goodbye from me. And now for the Oscar winning goodbye from Dom.
That's goodbye for me. Cheers for watching the channel. See you next year.